What's up guys? Welcome. Today I am going to show you how I do my hair like this. And yeah, let's get started. So this is what it looks like when I get out of the shower and I don't brush my hair. Obviously not with makeup, but yeah. So I'm gonna show you how it gets from this to my curly hair and the products that I use. So these are the products that I use from start to finish. So I use this 3-in-1 detangler, and it's a heat protectant and it conditions your hair at the same time. I use this oil and this frizz reducer because my hair gets really frizzy. The mousse to help those curls out, and the hairspray to set it. And then the last couple of things that you'll need is a diffuser with your hair dryer and a wide tooth comb to literally comb out all this craziness. And then I love my wand curling iron. That is literally what makes and keeps my curls. So those are the things that you'll need. Okay, so now I just take some bits and pieces throughout my hair and I just curl those. Alright guys, so there you have it. It's like a mix between those Beachy waves and yes, I did do my hair. So there you go. Oh, let me know if you want to see more of these videos. I would love to share, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe.